Let's discuss about Samsung Galaxy A5 2018. We saw the first Galaxy A5 2018 specifications earlier today, and now we're seeing purported case renders of this handset. The new Galaxy A 2018 series isn't due until early next year. However, we'll get to see a lot of rumors and reports in the weeks to come. That's just how it is every year. We reported earlier today that the Galaxy A5 will be powered by Samsung's new Exynos 7885 processor. It's a 1.5 GHz octa-core chip coupled with 4 GB of RAM. It's likely going to feature 32 GB of storage and will be powered by Android 7.1.1 Nougat. Previous reports have suggested that the Galaxy A series might feature an infinity display. Some models are reported to have a dual camera system as well. We can expect the fingerprint sensor and water resistance to carry over from the Galaxy A 2017 series. These purported Galaxy A5 2018 case renders are from an unofficial source in China. The cutouts don't betray the presence of a dual camera system at the back. However, the source claims that this handset will have a dual selfie camera. If the Galaxy A5 doesn't have a dual camera on the back, so it might be the Galaxy A7 2018 that gets it. Granted, it's still unclear if Samsung is going to bring the dual camera system to the Galaxy A series next year at all. It's likely going to have a physical Bixby button, though, that was rumored recently as well. While we're on the subject of Samsung's new assistant, don't forget to check out our detailed Bixby voice review. Keep in mind that nothing is set in stone just yet. There will likely be more leaks before we get a decent picture of what to expect from Samsung's new premium mid-range series. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe the channel for more upcoming review. Keep watching.